Hi guys, I'm now here at the Pasel Mansion here in Tagaytay City. This is one of the tourist spots here aside from Calerwega, Sky Ranch, People's Mansion, Sandari Batulaw. You have to go to this place. Again, the place is called the Pasel Mansion. Now what is the Pasel Mansion? Actually, it holds the Guinness World Book of Records for having the largest number of jigsaw puzzles. The collection is owned by Miss Gina Lacuna. It's very near here in Sky Ranch and in Calerwega. If you have time, you try to visit this magnificent place. That one is the most difficult to create and this one is the largest so far. Again, if you have time, try to visit Pasel Mansion here in Tagaytay City. It's more fun in the Philippines. It's more fun here in Tagaytay City. Bye guys!